Santorini. Yeah, oh my gosh. So we just got up. We had a late night last night, but we're looking for that dome, some breakfast, and just kind of walking around enjoying the views.
Hello, my name's Alfredo, and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip or take you on one of my adventures. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. In this video, we attempted to hike all the way from Fira to Iya, and we weren't ready for the uphill battle and the heat. Additionally, we really didn't know where we were going. We just kept walking because why not? It's an island. We really couldn't get lost.
Seriously, who needs to join a gym when you can go on vacation in Santorini?
The Cathedral of St. John the Baptist is a Catholic church built in 1823, located in the city center. We didn't enter the church because there was a service in progress. We did, however, finally find a place where we could enjoy breakfast with amazing views of the caldera. Check out my avocado toast with poached eggs. After a good breakfast, we decided to give up on the hike and take an air-conditioned bus to Iya.
Okay, so a bus from Fira to Iya was a buck 60 euros, €1 60 cents, pence, whatever it's called. And this is where it drops you off. We made it to Iya, finally. It was definitely a trek to find these blue domes, but definitely worth it. It's beautiful out here. I mean, let me just take a quick pan of what we're looking at.
Iya is definitely a higher end area of Santorini with quintessential Santorini views, but I do prefer the energy of Fira. Or maybe it was just time for another cocktail with a view.
These have got to be the most tender calamari I've ever had. Oh my god, so fresh, so fresh.
After walking around some more, it was time to take the bus back to Fira and meet everyone for dinner at our favorite place, The Vine. This time around, I had grilled vegetables with fresh feta cheese, a perfectly fried sea bass with crispy skin, and the best baklava I had in Greece. As the sun was setting on our last day in Santorini, it was time to say goodbye to our favorite server, Sophia. Oh, and we were there when this couple got engaged, but where was the kiss?
An early morning here at the airport. We're about to leave Santorini, heading to Athens. So